Evergreen. Candid. Laboratory Manual in Mathematics for Class 6.
Topic: Angles. Objective: represent the following by paper folding: straight angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. Previous knowledge required. Concept of different types of angles. Concept and construction of ray, line, etc. Materials required: a chart paper, a pair of scissors, pencil, colored pencils. Preparation or presentation for the activity. Cut 12 cm by 10 cm 5 rectangular pieces from chart paper. Fold this sheet of paper at the middle along the length and make crease. Unfold the paper and mark the crease with dark pencil. Mark point O in the middle of this line AB. Observations: to make straight angle. In the given figure, straight line AOB represents a straight angle. To make right angle. Procedure: fold the second sheet of paper at the middle along length and make a crease. Dark this crease with pencil. Name this crease as AB. Again, fold this sheet of paper at the middle along width and make crease. Unfold the sheet. 2 creases are formed. Draw a line on this crease. Name this crease as CD. Observations: we observe that line AB and CD intersect at O, and line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Angle BOC that is, angle BOC is a right angle. To make acute angle.
Topic: